Hi everybody, Jim Salmons here from the Kayak Fishing Show. This week we're doing one of the things that I like about the best, and that's fishing in the boiler rocks. It's even better when you get to do it in a great place like Costa Rica. I think you'll enjoy this video. Yesterday was kind of a typical first day on location. Things go wrong, there's a learning curve. Though these were all fish I'm used to catching, for whatever reason we couldn't quite get them to stick, or we were getting broken off. Just had a hard time starting off the day, but we were getting hookups, so we weren't losing our enthusiasm, just maybe losing our minds a little bit because of the breakoffs and lost fish. Little rooster. Well, not too little, but oh, you had a follower too. Not my normal boat, I don't have my tools out where they should be, ready to go. And he is literally choking on this thing, and the way it's hooked is right in his gullet. I can't do much other than cut the line. So he'll be able to swallow it down now.
The most important thing, or the most beautiful thing about this area, is that there's a lot less pressure on the fish. And obviously that means better fishing. There's also a lot more diversity, not only within the fisheries, it's just everywhere you look, everywhere you go, you will see some kind of creature that you have never seen before.
Friggin' giant needlefish. Big ass needle, I'm telling you, man. He just pointed in the wrong direction.
The Kraken from Jackson Kayak is an amazing fishing platform. We were fishing in some swell yesterday, close to rocks, and we got hit by a couple of waves, and it really is a breeze to fish from that. And one of the things I like the most is how fast you can move out of an area if you feel you're getting too close to a rock or something like that.
Gotta be really careful, these jacks got a quite sharp little tail. So I'm gonna get him back in the water real quick. Oh, not that way. I don't want to give them the rocks. I've never had roosters fight down like this. Strong fish.
not that big. He was just angry. It is not that big. Strong fish, man. Good fish. He fought a lot bigger than he is, I tell you. Oh man! Frustrating afternoon, lost a lot of fish. It was nice to put that one on the boat. Good rooster fish. Woo!
Well, I think you can see how exciting fishing the Boiler Rocks can be. I always love to do it. We want to thank Werner Paddles for being basically the best paddle out there and the one I've been using for many years. Remember, a great fishing paddle is a great paddling paddle, and that's a Werner paddle. If you haven't done so already, please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Kayak Fishing Tales.